Hello, this is my video on how to do WCS code for Counter-Strike Source. This is the most basic type of code making. You just manipulate the code from other classes and or races, and you manipulate it to. You can change the effects of it. You can change the chance. You can change the damage it does. You can change the skill. You just gotta take it from other things, from other races, unless of course you can find the code for a certain effect, which I can't seem to find anywhere unless I take it out of the other races. So first of all, you want to start out with getting a race, which warcraftsource.com works wonders. Here's a URL. If you want it, I will give it to you. It's a good one. I already got a race, so we'll go ahead and minimize that for now, and be working with Lightbringer. Alright, first of all, here's the name of your race. Change that to Ryan. Here's the author, which of course is me, yours truly. Required level is set to 0, probably because it's a crappy class. But we're gonna change that to 500 because I'm gonna make it change it to 700 because I'm gonna make it pretty OP for low levels. That means I can't use that class till I'm level 700. Pretty obvious. And the next maximum level means, like, say I set it to 1000. Once I hit 1000, I can't use Ryan race anymore. I can't use this race anymore once I hit 1000. But I think that's stupid, so I'm going to leave it at 0, which means no limit. Team only, I don't really know. Team limit, I don't really know. Preload, I don't really know. Player spawn, this you can change, like, their color of their people. You gotta find the code. You can change what they look like. But you gotta find the code for that too. You can change all kinds of stuff with that. Round start, round end, I don't know. Number of skills 5. As you can see, skill names is here. 1. They're always separated by this little column jobber here. And there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skill description. See, separated by the columns again. Everything's separated by the little columns. Almost everything is separated by the little columns. For the first one, it'd be the first one. So red laser burns your targets. Blue laser frees your targets. See that? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Here's the skill configuration. Like, red laser, it only works whenever you attack people, right? So it's a player attacker. It falls under that description, or that class. It falls under that thing. So phase shift increases your speed and reduces gravity. So that's something that works on you only. So that's a spawn. That's a spawn thingy. And a disco ball, which teleports your enemy above you and does a light show. So that's the ultimate. So player underscore ultimate. And also, look at this. Well, I'll show you that later. Yeah, player ultimate. First I'll show you how to manipulate this skill. Here's the right here. All this that my pointer's going over is the effect. So if you can find an effect, here's the color. If you can find an effect, then that's great. Like, you can add more than one effect at a time. Like this one, right here, I think has more than one effect. But yeah, there's one effect right there. You can take that out and get it effect from a different class or race or whatever. But here's alright. Here's what I'm showing you. Here's the set info WCS chance. So once you put one skill point on there, one skill point on your class, it has a 5% chance of working whenever you shoot them. Change that to 10. Change the next one to 20. Change the next one to 30. change the next one to 40. And then change the next one to 60 because I like a little surprise at the end. You max it out, you get a little bit of a treat. So, double what I normally do. And you can change the skill names. Like, I'll just put it as Burning Shot. And instead of burn your target, I'm going to put burn your enemy. Phone. Yeah, now I'll show you how to take out green laser shake, because honestly, I can find a better better skill than shake your targets, because that sucks. I'm gonna go to Warcraft Source. I'm gonna go in Holidays Races. I'm just gonna use Beast right here, because it has burn, and the other it has burn already. So here's how you download it. I already got it downloaded. I'll just show you how. Right there, download. There's the effect of burn. It's pretty cool. It already automatically has the effect in there, so you don't have to worry about that. And go ahead and exit out of that. I'm gonna pull up Beast right now, and alright, so we want Burning Blind, right? So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4th skill. So maximize that. So skill 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna take all of that. Check it out. All of it. Except for the space in below here, but you take all the spaces back behind there too. Copy that. Go ahead and exit. Alright, here's Lightbender. Now we're taking out green laser, right? So that's the 1, 2, 3rd skill. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to take out all of that. Even the effect, because honestly, you don't want a green laser for something that's going to burn you. That'd be pretty cool. Maybe if you figured out how to manipulate these colors. This is the color scheme right here. It's like, this is like yellow, this is like orange, or maybe it's like blue, red, green, orange, something. I don't know. Occupacity, I don't know. But that's it. And anyways, you copy all of this. Get all that. You don't copy it. Just delete it. And then straight from that, you paste. Now that is now skill 4. You gotta change it to skill 3. Skill 3. Skill 3. So normally there's more than one, so look out for that. There's the chance again. You know how to do all that. So now we gotta change it. You don't wanna name it green laser shake and it shakes your targets, but it doesn't really do that. It really burns your targets. You don't want that. So we're gonna change it to blind burn. And change the to what are we gonna change it to? I don't know. Blinds and burns target. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you how to do I'm not going to really do it, but I'm just going to tell you how, and you should be able to get it good. If you have any problems with it, just tell me and I'll help you out. Disco Ball is the ultimate, right? So if you want to change the ultimate or make an ability, just do right for the next skill, like that. I just added that in. Always get these little majobbers right there. I don't know what they're called. And so, like, if I added, like, look, we're gonna go down to Disco Ball, which is the last skill, and then we gotta count 5, right? Look, it says ultimate cooldown right there. What if it was an ability and not an ultimate, and you had another thing that was an ultimate? So you could, cause you know, like Shadow Hunter, they have an ability which is ward and an ultimate which makes them invulnerable. So what if it was an ability instead of an ultimate? I'm going to change that to ability if you want to make it an ability and add a different ultimate skill. And these are the cooldowns for the level up. Like first level up, 60 cooldown. Second level up, 55 cooldown. Next level up, 50 cooldown. 45 cooldown. 40 cooldown. That's not minute, that's seconds for each thing. So if you want to put a, like 2 minutes, you're gonna have to put 120, right? But we're not gonna put that because we want this race to be totally OP, right? Right. So that's my basic tutorial on how to do that. If you have any questions or problems, just ask me, and I will help you. Bye.